Hello everyone, today I am excited to share my insight on the free templates offered by the OKR Institute. These resources are designed to streamline the process of setting and tracking your OKRs, regardless of your industry or experience level. Let's start with the OKR template featuring check-ins and also initiative. This template helps you define your OKRs while also allowing you to track your progress with regular check-ins. I like the fact that it is a simple yet effective way to keep yourself accountable and focus on your goal. Next up, we have the OKR checklist. This straightforward template ensures that you don't miss any important steps in the OKR process. From setting objectives to evaluating results, the checklist guides you through each stage, making sure you stay on track and achieve your desired outcomes. Then we have the OKR examples tailored for different industries. I like that this example provides practical insight and inspiration for goal setting in various sectors. So whether you work in technology, finance, healthcare, or another field, these examples can help you better understand how to apply OKRs to your specific circumstances. But wait, there's more. The OKR Institute also offers free OKR ebooks, a comprehensive guide packed with tips, strategies, and best practices for mastering the art of OKRs. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned pro, this ebook equips you with the knowledge and tools needed to achieve your goals with confidence. Last but not least, we have the free OKR Foundation course. Based on my experience, this course is designed to deepen your understanding of OKRs as it covers everything from the basic concept to advanced technique. And with interactive modules and expert guidance, I think it is the perfect starting point for anyone looking to level up their goal-setting skills. So, to sum it up, I feel like the OKR Institute free resources are invaluable assets for anyone striving for success. From templates to ebook and courses, these resources provide the support and guidance needed to turn your aspirations into achievement. So, why wait? Dive into the world of OKR resources today and unlock your full potential. Happy goal setting, everyone!